this is Leilani Wales with AGL Yacht Sales. I'm on this beautiful vessel, 2006 Hunter 36. Well, I'm inviting you to come aboard and let's check her out. She's got a very spacious cockpit, and all of the upgrades on these vessels are pretty much within the last 3 years. She also has this nice foldable steering wheel. Now, she also offers the force dinghy. She's about 10-foot dinghy, and she also has a Mercury 4 horsepower that goes with the boat. And the outboard motor is a 2017. She also has a new mainsail and also new in 2016. And the cockpit has this nice table, actually, that you can just raise up. And you also have a nice cup holders. You can see a nice side deck with a non-skid. And this is, you've got the electric winch. And you can just have it by the foot, as you can see. She offers an in-mast furling, stainless steel handrails, and here in the Dodger, you also have an integrated stainless steel handrail. Let's go below deck and check her out. This is totally bright here. And the salon has a lot of space here. You can sit about 2, 4, 6, about 8 or 10 people comfortably. And this also turns into a berth as well. You can see she got a nice large opening hatch in the middle of the salon. And you can see all the windows surrounds you, your integrated handrails. This is a real thick wood. And you've got your nav station down below here, and you've got your VHF, your electrical panel, your Bluetooth radio, and here underneath the nav station you have another refrigerator. Okay, that's your second refrigerator, and one is actually in the galley. And here's your nice chart table. Let's check out the galley. The galley, as you can see, she has a much larger refrigerator and double stainless steel sinks. And here, one thing great about this is like you have your own little Hunter plates, which is that also comes with the boat. And a nice drawers, microwave, 2-burner stove with an oven. It's comfortable when you are actually cooking or preparing some food. You have a nice Korean countertop. This is for your garbage. Okay. So right on the aft of the galley, you have your queen master berth. Okay. And she's very spacious. You've got a large opening hatch above you. You've got your hanging locker. Underneath the steps, and this is where you can find your Yanmar 29 horsepower diesel engine. Right to port is the head. For your entertainment, she also comes with a sharp television. And this is so cool. So your forward berth is like, it's not only that you will have a nice French door for privacy, you also have a nice window. Hi. thank you for watching this short video tour of this 2006 Hunter 36. Please feel free to give me a call. My number is 360-621-4682 for viewing appointments or for live video tour of this vessel. My name is Leilani Wells with AGL Yacht Sales in San Diego. Stay safe.